Okay, let's talk about that F-150 misfire. We're going to show you how to fix it the right way.
So, your truck's running rough? Sputtering? Check engine light on? Yep, sounds like a classic misfire.
Now, the biggest mistake you can make is just guessing. You end up firing the old parts cannon.
You're just throwing money at it, and guess what? The problem's probably still going to be there.
So let's do this the smart way. We're going to test, not guess. Trust me, it'll save you a ton.
All right, first things first. You need an OBD-II scanner. This little guy reads the truck's computer.
The Innova 5610 is a fantastic choice. It's a great value, and it even gives you diagnostic tips. Or, hey, if you want to go wireless, the BlueDriver is super popular. Just connects right to your phone.
And then there's the Ancel BD310. It gives you both wired and Bluetooth. Kind of the best of both worlds.
The scanner will give you a code like P0301. That 1 at the end, that's your problem cylinder.
Okay, so now you know exactly where the problem is. Let's look at the best ignition coils for the job.
First up, DriveWire. You get that original equipment quality, but without the crazy dealer markup.
You really can't go wrong with Motorcraft. It's Ford's official brand, so you know the fit is perfect.
Standard is cool because they often improve on the original parts, fixing those known factory issues.
Looking for a budget-friendly pick? Ancel is a great choice, and it's built to maximize voltage.
Now, if you want more performance, MSD is the way to go. This is literally race-proven stuff.
And finally, Delphi. They're a huge OE manufacturer, so their parts are absolutely built to last. So here's a quick rundown for you. But check this out. Look at the different warranties on these.
Okay, lots of great choices here. So, how do you actually pick the right one for your truck?
Well, it really boils down to 3 things: your truck's model year, the quality you want, and your budget.
Doing it this way, a smart diagnosis can easily save you over $700. No joke. In the end, it's about being proactive, not reactive. So what's your plan for your truck?